Good morning. So today I am going to show you guys how I cook my mussels and simple linguine pasta. This is a quick meal that you can do on your own at home, something fresh and tasty. So here are the ingredients. I have already cleaned my mussels. Make sure that when you're using the mussels, that you're using the mussels that are closed. You take the little bearded things off and you give them a good scrub, a good cleaning. I have already done that. I'm going to use some parsley, some garlic, tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and of course the white wine. Oh, and lemons. I forgot that we need lemons. So yeah. Okay, so you're going to start off by melting your butter down. After you melt your butter down and it's all melted, which is mine is pretty much melted here, I am going to add the garlic. And I just gave mine just like a rough little chop, nothing too perfect. Because I actually like chunks of garlic because I like to eat them. But you can dice yours as small as you want to. And you're going to let that go in there. And then I like to add just a little bit of spice kick to it. Just a little though. And then stir that in. And then after that, I like to go ahead and zest a lemon. Okay, after I have zested my lemon, I'm going to add my white wine in. And you know, I don't measure. I just eyeball it really. And then I'm going to let this boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll go ahead on to the next step of adding our mussels in. And you actually can see them starting to open now. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to do a quick little stir and add my parsley and put the top back on for a few more minutes. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add some parsley to that. This is the fresh parsley that you seen earlier. And I'm going to add the lid back on to let it cook for a few more minutes. Okay, so these pretty much look pretty much done. Just going to give them a quick little toss. And with the rest of that lemon that I have, I'm actually going to go ahead and squeeze the lemon over it. So I have my little lemon squeezer and I'm just going to squeeze the lemon juice all over that. I'm going to take the other lemon and squeeze that as well. So I do 1 whole lemon. And voila, you have your beautiful mussels. And I'm going to show you guys how I add this over my pasta. So stay tuned. Now you can eat your mussels just like that and dip it in that lovely broth sauce that you just made. Or you can spice it up a little. Let me show you how. Or you can top it off with some Parmesan cheese and those tomatoes that I showed you earlier. I hope you guys like this recipe and stay tuned for more.